Okay, my tank. Gotta have a moment of silence for the old girl because she needs a motor. I was changing the oil, getting everything ready to go to Leadville because this sumbitch is gonna go claim Carnage Canyon in Buena Vista at the end of next month. Just going through everything since the last event. Dude, I have never seen a motor with a bigger glitter factory run just fine. I'll have Matt upload a picture of the tank, but I mean, so that sounds phenomenal. The picture does not look phenomenal. The old girl maybe has one or two good overheat left in her, and probably gonna need some cam bearings, crank. My biggest thing is this thing runs a 1979 AMC 360. Everybody in the world took that motor out and threw it in the neighbor's pond and put an LS or a throttle body 350 or something else in it. And I am not ready to follow the crowd and put an LS in it. This thing is healthy, this thing gets rowdy, runs good, I don't care. I've spent a ton of money on fuel injection and all this other crap that's on this motor. I'm gonna find another boat anchor and put in it. Now, the problem is they're so hard to find. Well, okay, let's define that. It's hard to find one in still running condition. You can find them everywhere that you hope are rebuildable. And we have Trail Hero still coming up. We got Leadville coming up. I would like to take a fall Moab trip. I have things I want to do than to sit here and try to run more wiring and change this and change that and LS swap it and try to find whatever trans I want to run and then decide what I'm doing with the T-case, and I'm not doing that. What I have right now works phenomenally, and I'm going to find a motor. So I think I found one that's still in running condition that I could at least put here on an engine stand to where if she happens to die in Leadville or wherever it might die, I can come here and in a day's time we can jerk the motor out, put the other one in, and at least finish out the year. But I also do not want to kill this engine to the point where it's non-rebuildable, because we know it's a good engine. We know it's a good block. We know that the heads are good. They might be cracked, but it's good. So if we could rebuild this, put a mild cam in it from Texas Speed or something, maybe bore it over a little bit, have a little fun with it, do something different, be the odd man out. That's what I'd like to do. So if you know a good engine builder for an AMC that's in the, I don't know, realistic Vernal, Utah area, Idaho, Wyoming, southern Utah, Nevada, I'd love to hear from you, because I need a motor. Or unless like Cletus wants to hit me up. Or hey, Rory's got a nice big block that's just in a tow truck. At least let it get rowdy in this thing, right? Anyway, so I don't know. We'll see where it goes. Money don't grow on trees, and I don't get any more hours in a day than 24, so for the time being, she's just gonna have to stay old school and different. And it works because around here, we're all a little different. Done.